This is the Vintage Stationery Set. Let me show you what you can do with it. Double-click the Smart Object layer and drop your design straight in. Change the color, double-click the color layer, pick your color, hit OK, done. Move the objects around and build the scene however you like. Same objects, completely different result. Get it at customscene.co. Link in the description.